This is a Fiat 2013 500 pop. The small issue I've been having with it ever since I bought it about a year ago is in the morning or cold start, the RPM goes up to 2000 and goes straight down to about 15,000, and then it shakes or vibrates, and then after that it just settles. It only does it when the engine is cold. All right, now I'm inside. I'm going to start it, and hopefully it does it. But the shaking thing, I don't know if you'll be able to notice anything. Okay. Well, it didn't go all the way up to 2000, but it drops down to about 14, and then it shook. What I do plan on doing is I'm going to do some inspection, visual and physical inspections. I will take I will check the air filter housing, making sure that it is properly seated. I will also check all the hoses or the air hoses, making sure that there's not excess of air going into the engine. I will also check the PCV valve, and then air throttle or body throttle, something like that, and I will clean it up, making sure that that's not the issue, and hopefully I'll be able to kind of remedy this problem. And please just follow along with me. Okay, now to get to the bolt, we just have to lift this up. Okay, that's the engine cover, and it's this is what it looks like. You pick it up, put it down, and then there are three main bolts to remove this intake. You got the first one right here, and there's a second one right here, and there's a third one way in the back. It's a little bit difficult to get it, but this one here, it's best to use a swivel to get to it. And then it's a 5/16. Also, since I'm cleaning the throttle body, you just have to remove the this hose here in the back, and so the whole piece will come together. Okay, after unloose all the screws, and this is the PCV valve. Just unhook the PCV valve from the cover, and then slowly removed it and unhooked all the holes. Okay. Yeah, this is the intake cover. See, this is the intake cover, and this is where the air filter is. And I will open this up and make sure that it's seated properly. Put that to the side, and then you come closer. And if you are doing spark plugs change, or if changing your spark plugs, this is the same procedure. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 spark plugs. All you do is you got that little tab, you pull back on the little tab, and then it just allows you to take this off, and then you just unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 and change your spark plugs. And then this is the PCV valve. I will take this out and then clean the inside. Okay, and then this is the here is the throttle body. I will also clean in the inside of it. Just try to figure out why it's doing what it's doing, meaning that why it shakes. Also look for any possible hose, loose hose. All right. It on? Okay. All right, this is the throttle body, and the inside I can see it's really dirty, but this one is electronic, so there's no line for me to open it, but I should be able to do it with my finger and also with this here. And once I open it, I will clean it up with the carburetor with this here, throttle body cleaner. So it's just to clean it up. And then this is the this old piece here is the PCV valve. I will take that out and also spray the inside. I don't think I need to buy another one, because this car, even though it says 2013, but it only has 29,000 miles. So I will do my best to clean it up. But if after all this and then it doesn't solve the problem, then I'll probably just have to buy another PCV valve. Okay, go ahead. Now to take off the PCV valve, you got this this hose. You got to unhook it from here, and then there's this one here, and then after that we got the 1, 2, and 3. There's our 3 main bolts that I remove it, and that's pretty much it. And underneath you got the there is that little connection, and then so that's pretty much it. But once you remove those bolts and the hoses, and that's pretty much it, you should be able to take this off easily. Okay, so now I remove the PCV valve. The inside doesn't look too bad. So you see the PCV valve, it's from here and then go here. But here's what I noticed. The inside here, that's the intake, air intake. It is very, very dirty. And look what I found, very dirty. And that's also part of the throttle body. So I will clean this up with the carburetor choke, or that liquid I showed you, the carburetor cleaner. Okay, clean this up, and then also clean this, all the inside here and the inside. But again, before I put all this together and start the car, I have to make sure that it is dried. You don't want to start the car with it while it is moist. Okay. Also, this is one thing I found out. Those hoses do not have any clamps. So in addition to cleaning the throttle body, the PCV valve, and I am going to use clamps to clamp them down, ensuring that no air under any force or pressure get through. Okay, so just enough air, no extra air, I meant. All right, now I'm going and put everything back together, because I cleaned everything. I did what I was supposed to be doing. And this is the PCV valve. Just put it back. And make sure all the hoses go where they're supposed to, and got the clips. Then we'll put the intake cover, and then after that I will just hook this last hose. Okay, when we're done tightening everything up, you just have to put this cover, the beauty cover on, and make sure you put it the right way. Basically, I waited a while before I put those parts back on, and after that I'm going to start the car. And normally, and there might be some smoke in the tailpipe or a little bit rough starting, because it's a little bit because of the spray. But anyway, the whole story is, you know the basic you need to do when your car has a bad idle. And also for this specific car or Fiat, this is the same system. If you want to change the air filter, this is right here, or you want to replace the PCV valve, or you want to do a spark plug change, or the coils, that's the same procedure. You got all in just one maintenance. Okay, now thank you for watching.